Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. This video is all about how to make the lucky bamboo bushier and similar to the plant whatever you are looking right now. So here you can see this is how they were looking at the time of planting them for the first time, and finally this is the result. So here you can see they are growing really nicely and it's also looking bushier. So let me show you all the things whatever I did with my plants, and you are going to see everything step by step. So let's start the video now. I believe you already know that lucky bamboo is one of the most popular indoor plants that we can grow simply in water. So here are few of my plants which I am growing in water. For the other two plants whatever I collected from the nursery, going to repot them and I am going to grow them directly in the soil. So if you want to make your lucky bamboo plant bushier, then first step is you want to grow them in soil, and that way they will be growing really very fast. My plants are looking quite unhealthy as you can see, but anyway after some days they are going to look much better. I will be using one 10-inch of pot and there I am going to grow all the plants. So this is the second important thing. If you want to make your plant look much more bushy, then please use minimum 10-inch, or you can also use 12-inch. Anyway, very soon you are going to see why we need a bigger pot. For the potting soil mix, you can do it very basic way. Take 50% normal garden soil, 25% as vermicompost, and rest 25% as either cocopeat or sand. It's time to repot, and I will be forwarding everything as fast as possible so that you don't have to waste any time. And please keep watching because the third important step is coming very soon. Today I have collected another variety and I am going to take two cuttings and then I will be planting them in the same pot. So this is how all of my lucky bamboo plants are looking, and here you can see they are growing somewhat taller. And this is the thing that we don't want to do. We should not let them grow tall. So next thing is we need to prune them, and this is the exact thing I am going to do. This is the third important thing, and just after pruning your plant, you don't have to throw all the pruned part. Instead, simply insert them in the soil, and that's it. Eventually they would be also growing well. They are going to produce new shoots, and this way your plants are going to look much more bushier. This is why I said that we need a bigger pot so that we can keep planting the cuttings again and again. Trust me, it's really very easy to grow lucky bamboo plants from cuttings, and here you can see I am doing it everything very effortlessly. There are two important things that you need to remember. The first one is please don't keep your pot under direct sunlight just after planting the cuttings. Anyway, lucky bamboo doesn't prefer the direct sunlight. On second, water only when you see the topsoil is looking dry. Alright, keep watching. Now the final update is coming very soon.
Hi, I'm cutting my fruits, so it's good for you guys. So I'm making for you. See, I'm cutting now. So I'm cutting now. It's not on my hand,
So guys, this is the final result, and if you agree with me, my plants are looking really very attractive. I collected another variety of plants so that I get two different colors in same pot, and because of that it's looking really very unique. I can see lots of new growths as well. All are new growth and you can see they are growing really well. On the top part also I can see new shoots, and after some days it's going to look much more bushier. Other than the things whatever I have mentioned here, please also try to fertilize your plants on regular basis, and you can do that during active growth. Usually they grow actively in the summer time. For my plants I simply use NPK 19-19-19. Those would be half teaspoon in 1 liter water and then apply directly on the soil once in 25 to 30 days. In winter time you can also find brown tips on the leaves, and if it's bothering you too much you can simply cut that part in the same shape of the leaves. So guys, this is all about how to make the lucky bamboo plants bushier, and I hope you found the video useful. If you did, I would really appreciate if you like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening update. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.